This is Abdullah Kashmul, class CIS220, Object-Oriented Programming, and this is class 3 assignment, which is making a program that simulates the plugboard in the Enigma machine. In my main class, I do not have much but to call one class, and each class is going to call the other. And in the main class, I'm just printing the output, the final output. And I also have the all classes, so that's easier to call any other classes by just calling this class. The first class is the get keys. Just to show you how it is. First I have this is like assuming that this is my main keyboard, how the keys are arranged. This is the scrambled keyboard, how the keys are gonna change, and I'm gonna read these two files, but the third one is just to show what's gonna be changed with what. For example, the A is going to be changed with the O, and C is going to change with the M, small c with a small m, and so on. It doesn't matter which way we're going to change them, because the F goes to the J, the F capital with the J. If we go to the F capital in here, it's also going to be with the J, so it's the same both ways, which is how it's supposed to be with a plug keyboard. Now, what I did is created a dictionary and just called it plug key, and then created characters for normal keyboard and plug keyboard. Now, normal keyboard is going to be the character file, and this is the character too, which is going to be changed to. And I also created strings to get the two files that I created, which is this one, this normal, this is plug keyboard. And what I'm going to do is going to read one character at a time, and since I have both the same length, so it doesn't matter which one, both are 74 characters long. And what this is going to do is going to read this character and link them together. One of them is going to be the key, one of them going to be the value, and so on until it is done, and return the whole dictionary. And for the user input, for now I'm using actual user input, and I can just change it later into reading a file, text file, and because both is going to be the same, are going to be saved into a string, and it's going to return a string. For faster testing for now, I'm just using the user input from the keyboard. Now for the last one, which is the changing characters, what it's going to do is get the dictionary and also get the user input, and initiated the output as a blank string, and then I'm going to get the length of the user input, then read it one character at a time. Every time I get a character, I'm going to send it to the dictionary. So this one's going to get the character, and it's going to put it in the dictionary. And when put it, it's gonna get the key character and change it, and which is gonna give me the output character, and I'm gonna add it to the output string. In the end, it's gonna give me the string that is all characters has been changed with the scrambled or the plug keyboard. Now to test it, it's running. So, for example, if I'm gonna put my name, it should return my name if I took the scrambled output. If I used that as an input, then it should return my name as I wrote it with the capital or small letters. And this is my output.